Okay, we're on the east side of the house. This room looks like, to me, here's if it was an addition. Going to the attic here. A lot better than the west. This is a bathroom vent fan that's venting directly into the attic. How about that? It's right there for me. Right there for me. How about that? I guess this would be the far east unit. The air filter is on the other side. It has a shallow P-trap like before. It does have a care and use manual. So far, 2 care and use manuals, 1 without. 1 did without. Is that the clothes dryer vent? Sure is. Clothes dryer vent with cloth tape and flexible. That's supposed to be rigid. It's not supposed to be flexible. It's supposed to be rigid and not supposed to have cloth tape on it. How about that? Okay. Let's stay back on track. Okay, we do not have a rusty pan in this one. Shallow P-trap, like I said. Linux, this is the data plate for it. Like the top floor one, we've got perforated tape improperly used to support it. Air ducts kinked, air ducts. Okay. This is on the other side. Let's see what we got here. Can we do it? Come on, Rampy. Grab it. 20 by 25 by 1. Again, you know, I could pull them out, but I would recommend that they're replaced regardless. So, you know, I just say that they're dirty. They might not be so dirty. They're supposed to be replaced every month. So it's a pretty safe bet. No soffit baffles? Still no soffit baffles. And this part over here, there's no exhaust vent either. This part doesn't even have an exhaust vent. Saved by the bell. Good home, this is Bud. Oh, it's Kate with Senior Services. Oh my. Whoa. I hung up on her. Huh. Sorry, Kate. Now over here in this attic, okay, we just have duct. Still no ventilation. Still a mouse trap. Okay. Also, this thermostat, the attic is an outside wall. Attic is an outside wall. I don't know where you would put this thermostat on this wall. Oh, got another door. Remember Silence of the Lamb where everybody kept going through doors? Okay. Primary's got evacuation pump. Secondary, shallow trap. 20 by 25 by 1, another Linux. No rust in this pan either. Are you properly supported? No, you're not properly supported. Only one of them. Only one of the condensing units was properly suspended. One of them. Only 2 of them had care and use manuals. Only one of them had a deep P-trap, and none of the P-traps were insulated. And 2 of the safety pans, that's what we learned, 2 of the safety pans are filled with rust. Got some light in here. I'm about to go over there. After I got stuck last time, I'll save you the drama. Save you the drama. But I'm going to go make sure the air filter is the right size.